So can you get that? Yes, it's the eating habit, food trend in the recent time, and the last is some advice for youngsters. Now, let's start. According to a survey of Lozi website, it is said that Vietnam's youngsters spend 30,000 billion Vietnam đồng per month on nose, snack and drinks. It is a huge number. The Vietnam youngster nose is really plentiful. Pay attention for following video clips. A group of researchers has recently announced that a group of people was born in 1995 and later is called the Z generation. Although the income is unstable, it mostly depends on the family. But the cost of eating outside up to 892,000 Vietnam đồng per month. So this group spend nearly 30,000 billions on snack. So what food are usually chosen by the youngster?
Thường hay ăn bim bim này, uống trà sữa này, ăn pizza, ăn bánh trộn, bánh xèo, ăn một số đồ ăn nhanh khác và uống nước ngọt.
Mình hay uống trà sữa này, ăn gà rán này, khoai tây chiên này, bánh tráng này, ốc này, kem này, bánh ngọt.
One of the costs linked to this spending is youngster cut off with trend easily and quickly. The proof is early 2018. There are 8 bubble tea shops open per month in Ho Chi Minh City. There are 53% number of people. They said that they drink a cup of bubble tea one time per week.
The youngsters catch to know things very quickly and sensibly. Food brands and goodness checking on this psychology, regulation, quality, freshness, and form. Therefore, they attract the youngsters easily to spend a lot of money to buy these products per month. Some keep on better declining others' invitation. If one or two people want to drink or eat something, others often follow this tendency.
Với trẻ em thì quá sang trọng trong việc chi tiêu của mặt bên ngoài, các em thấy đồng ý hay không đồng ý với cái đấy?
Em nghĩ là có phần đồng ý, tại vì một người ăn này nhưng mà em vẫn tiết kiệm để ăn khác.
Nghĩa là vẫn hay các em còn lại thì cô ra tiền để uống trà sữa bởi vì chị thấy là khi mà có cái thu nhập ấy thì các em lấy tiền đâu này thì nào bố bên trong thì nhưng mà có một số bạn là uống trà sữa 50-60 nghìn về ăn thử gói thì các em thấy việc làm như thế nào, em nghĩ thế nào để làm đấy?
Bác có thấy là hiện nay giới trẻ thì đang có uống rất là nhiều trà sữa và có rất là nhiều cửa hàng đồ ăn vặt cho giới trẻ được mở ra nhiều không ạ?
Bây giờ là các ấy ra là các nơi là có những cái trà sữa này cho giới trẻ mà nói về ngày xưa thì không có.
Thì bác nghĩ như thế nào về việc mà học sinh, sinh viên vẫn còn phụ thuộc kinh tế vào gia đình mà lại uống trà sữa 50-60 nghìn?
Theo bác thì cái này thì nói chung là nó đắt quá. Bây giờ cái giá cả là nó tầm 20 nghìn một cốc thôi thì là cháu cũng hợp lý.
Có ý kiến cho rằng là giới trẻ Việt Nam thì đang quá là phung phí và quá là sang chảnh cho việc chi tiêu cho việc ăn ngoài, cho đồ ăn vặt, thì bác nghĩ như thế nào về cái ý kiến đấy ạ?
Quan điểm của bác là bây giờ là ăn vặt như này thì cho hoàn cảnh của gia đình một. Còn những gia đình mà nó có ra thì nó đi ăn như thế là nói chung là ăn vặt thì không nên không tốt.
Besides bubble tea, the G generation really keen on fast food like chips, chicken fries, soda, Coca-Cola, and hamburgers. Nowadays, fast food restaurants have dominated the food industry. In Thai Bien, there are some fast food restaurants like Jollibee's, K Express, or Food Face. It normally filled with a lot of people, almost young and children. There seems to be not know about the relationship between health, food, and importance of having good eating habits. The students are knowledgeable that consuming fast food, soda, and processed food are unhealthy and they contain additives. They indicate strong agreement to keep themselves hydrated and choosing food because of taste preference. They have fair knowledge of nutrition requirements for health. However, food choices they make are not necessarily health. Convenience and taste of food are still priority. Today I will give you 5 tips to eating healthy and staying fit according to Nguyen Lan Phuong website. The first one, don't skip meals, especially breakfast. It helps our brain functioning optimally and good positive body is not weight. One is snack smart. Instead of fast food like bubble tea, pizza and cookie, we should eat some nuts, low-fat string cheese or some fruit or yogurt. The first is get moving. Exercise helps our sleep better and study and make it easier to achieve and maintain a healthy weight. You can do simple exercise like walking or running around school, biking to and from class, walking to stay up and down. The fourth is drink more water. Water is very important for body. Buy the reusable bottle and carry it with you everywhere. It's very environmentally friendly and money saving. The fifth is sleep. Everyone knows the sleep is really important, but in a busy life, the sleep seems to be luxury. Many people have not enough time to sleep 8 hours per day, but less than 6 hours at night is not good for health. It leads to many consequences. On night at 6 hours is just not possible. Try nap in the library into a quiet, dark area with a piece of clothing in bed if you have no time to go and nap. You can eat if your body needs energy from minor means. If your body has enough energy, you are still eating it. It will be redundant. Not only that, it also leads to many consequences. Suspending is unreasonable. You can observe bimbo by eating too many hot, sweet and fast food, so you have turned the interest in patience to hurt yourself. In the short, you should understand what your body needs, so you shouldn't hamper yourself because you can suffer to consequence and waste of money.